Hello friends, my name is Dr. Santosh Kumar Gautam. I am working in the field of journalism and mass communication since 2009. Today we will discuss short film budget. A producer entails a lot of different things. The film producer has a lot of responsibilities to take care of. He needs to do all this throughout the planning and execution of the film. One of the most important thing the producer needs to do is to create a budget for the film. In order to do this, he will need a production budget template. This will serve as a record for all the expenses needed in order to produce a film. There are various kinds of budget based on their genres. There are various kinds of simple and detailed budget available on the internet. You can create a short film budget or download a film budget from internet. The important thing is that the templates should keep you organized and productive. This is especially true in terms of the finance. It should help you throughout the filmmaking process. You can make a template for animated films, commercial films, documentaries, feature films, low budget films and short films, etc. It is essential to plan the budget for the film ahead of time. It will help you to ensure that all the tasks involved in the filmmaking are on track. A detailed template should contain the following information. Film budget is divided into two parts, below the line and above the line. Film budget includes film names, all the cost and crew involved in it, filming schedules and tasks involved at those times, post-production activities and expenses, branding and marketing costs. Film budget template can be very helpful. However, carefully planning is also a huge part of creating the budget. You need to know how many personnel you would need for the making of your film. Film budget will tell you exact number of personnel you will require during film production. This is important so you can include their wages and other incidental costs in your budget. Also, before you create your template, make sure that the script of your film is already finished. This will help you determine other expenses. The film budget includes equipment cost. Most of the part of your budget will go into securing the equipment you need for the making of the film. For example, for filmmaking, you will need high quality microphones, cameras, lighting for the production and filming. Think about all the equipment you will need. Jot down list of all equipment and ask around for prices. Another part of film budget is location. Usually filmmaking requires shooting in different locations. Because of this, you might sustain significant cost while shooting. Some example could be building a set on a location and even redirecting traffic. Hence, you have to need to mention the location and setup cost in your film budget too. Another part of film budget is wages. This is another important part to include in your budget. Making a film requires a lot of cost and crew. You are hiring these people, you need to think about their wages. Consider the wages of the actors as well as the people will involved in the filmmaking process. Post-production expenses also includes in the film budget. After you have finished filming, the expenses are not over yet. You would still need to edit your film before releasing it to the public. This would take time, effort and other types of equipment. You need all these to put your film together successfully. Film budget breakdowns, accounts and sub-accounts encompasses these four categories. Above the line, this category includes development cost, talent, crew generally involved in the development phase, writers, producers, the director and talents are involved in this category. Don't forget all the SHG hires like the stunt team and studio teachers. Number 2, below the line, that is production budget. Production budget contains the majority of overall accounts. All pre-production and production cost, equipment and below the line labors are accounted for in this category. Almost everything is managed in this category: locations, permits, trucks, cameras, grip and electric, etc. Number 3, post-production. Post-production budget includes budget for editing, animation and VFX, etc. Post-production budget will depend upon script. If animation and VFX editing have mentioned in the script, then it will require. Otherwise, editing will enough for the short film. Number 4, publicity and promotion. Generally, short film producers promote their short film on the social media platform and film festivals. If producer will hire an ad agency, it will more costly. It is better to promote on the social media platform and hire YouTube for short film promotion. It will more cheaper than hiring an ad agency. Friends, we have a short film template downloaded from internet. On top of this template, you have to mention title of your short film, and below the title you have to mention number of days your shooting will take, and then who prepared it, and also the date of prepared budget. Further budget divided into 4 parts. Number 1, artist. This part includes all lead actors and also includes supporting actors. Number 2, above the line, all non-technicians involved in the film will include into above the line. For example, script writer, story writers, producer, director and DOP. And next is below the line. All technical peoples included in this part, such as camera department, lighting department, sound department, art department, assistant directors, production department, makeup department, costume department and additional staff. Number 4, production. Production includes budget of equipment and insurance, location, production design, costume, hair and makeup, catering and transport. And number 5, post-production. Post-production includes budget of editor, assistant editors, rent of hard drive and office, sound design and music rights. Friends, this is all about short film budget. Thank you for watching Media Mirror. We will come another informative lecture. Till then, thanks once again.